so diversity is about, taking a look at yourself and understanding the strengths and weaknesses. And we all live in society, and we all have to look at stereotypes and how those things play out. And we can't relearn everything. So we have to understand when we are doing those things, what are the shortfalls of running on stereotypes, and understanding my own strengths and weaknesses, and understanding my level of comfort zone and my preference or my convenience. Because really, that's really what it comes down to. Trying to ensure when you're building a team of, number one, can I trust this individual? Number two, does this individual make it easy for me? And because I'm trying to get a job done, or if this approach that this individual may be different from mine because they look a certain way, or their hairstyle a certain way, or their gender orientation is a different way, which, to me, what I'd have to do to get the job done. And so to me, I try to focus on why we're here and what's the mission of the organization. And we have a group of people, and how do we assemble a group of people to work together to solve a problem? Because, what we've been working through and some of the situations that we've been working through over the years, I don't care what they do, what they say, how they look, or whatever. I need problem solve. That's what I need. And the mission is, how do I manage this organization? And then at the same time, I might learn something about myself and, how I see things, or I've heard things, or the way I was raised that, may have not have been right. And I may have a bias about something that, I didn't take time to understand and learn someone else's world. But as a leader,
your perspective is very interesting, I think, in terms of your approach to diversity inclusiveness. You're saying it's about me learning about my biases, my preferences, my orientations. And so can you expand on that? And how do you then get the rest of the organization to appreciate your view?
Well, as a chief diversity officer, I've established what we call affinity groups, that each affinity group, whether it's the African American or the Asian or the Cancer Network or the military veterans or so forth, and to allow people to speak freely about, their organization or their affinity group. But I can tell you over the time that I've been doing this, I think people have found out they're more alike than different. When you really, get down to the bottom of it, everybody wants to have an ability to make a great salary, to take care of their family, to buy a home that they want, to send their children to schools that they think they can learn as much as they can so they can be more successful than they were. Now, we all might do something a bit differently, but that's where the learning takes place. But other than that, what's wrong with that? I don't go into anywhere trying to change an individual and tell them something is wrong about them. That's not my job to do it. If the parents can do it, I know I can't do it. But at the same time, here we are. One goal we have is, how do we become the best transportation organization on the planet? And we have a diverse workforce here, and so how do we use the skills and resources of everybody in order to do it? And I'm not motivated if I don't think people trust me. I'm not motivated. I don't think people think I can do something. I'm not motivated if I don't think people are including me or thinking about me just as a valued team member from an equal footing as anyone else. But if you can do those things, you can get all those individuals motivated, then at the same time, then the organization is going to benefit from it.